Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Now, if you're like me and drink a ton of water and like to look good doing it, this is the tumbler for you. This beautiful Stanley 40-ounce tumbler is so perfect for me and for you. This gorgeous off-white cream color with this like gold bronzed etching is so great. It's giving totally like Roaring 20s vibes in my opinion. I absolutely love that they made this particular tumbler, this particular cup, mug, whatever you want to call it, so functional. I love the handle. It is such a great comfort, and the straw is such good quality. I know that after extended use, sometimes the straws can look a little bit weird because of, teeth marks or whatever, but this one holds out so great. I also love the fact that I have been pretty rough in putting this base into cup holders in my truck, all those kind of things, and it has not scratched at all. And I didn't even need one of those silicone sleeves. I love this cup. Would make an excellent gift, especially if you love somebody this much. And that's my point of view.